This is absolutely insane. With 21 million views from a silly little video, that's 21 million divided by 1,000 times 2. That's $42,000 from this one video. And they didn't make any of these videos themselves, and you can do the exact same thing. And all you gotta do is... Hey, Thomas Garetz here. Thanks for tuning in. So in this video, if you didn't figure it out by now, I'm going to show you how to actually make money on YouTube without making any of the videos yourself. So if you like learning how to make money online and things like that, that's what this channel is about. Just make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button, but make sure to hit that notification bell too so you get notified every time I upload. Now, the example I showed at the beginning was from Free Memes Kids, okay? So these are just silly meme videos and they don't own any of the footage themselves. And literally, it's so simple to do. It almost made me want to switch and do this myself. And it's not just meme videos. You can pick any niche. You can go for music, top 5, top 10, memes. We'll show you some examples. So I got another meme one opened up. You can see right here, 3.4 million views from 1 week ago. And how they actually make money from this is from the ads on YouTube, right? So you know when you click on a video and before the video, sometimes you see an ad, or during the video, like an ad pops up and you can skip it after 5 seconds. So this is how they actually make money. And how it works is it goes off a CPM. So for YouTube, that means cost per 1,000 views. So some videos are gonna have a lower CPM and some videos are gonna have a higher CPM. The average is anywhere between $1 to $5. But basically, the type of channel you're gonna have and the niche you choose is gonna affect the amount. So for example, I just chose a $2 CPM for this. It could be higher, it could be lower. But typically it's gonna be around $1 to $2. But if it's $1, 3.4 million views would equal $3.4 thousand at just $1. Okay, so you can see that just simple videos can make a lot of money from ad revenue. Okay, so now how do you actually make videos without having to make the video yourself, right? So how it works is all these videos, they don't actually own the footage. So how it works is a thing called Creative Commons. Okay, so let's go just to the search bar, right? And we'll just type in guitar music, okay? So now, you can go up here to filter and you can go right here and click Creative Commons, okay? So now all these videos right here, you can use them and reuse them and edit them however you want. Okay, so let's click on this real quick. And then you can see if you click show more right here in the description and you scroll down, you can see license, Creative Commons. Now click this and you can see that it's actually ethical, legal, and all that stuff. Okay, so you can see right here. By marking your original video with a Creative Commons license, you're granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. Okay, so it's right there, plain as day, in written word, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, how do you actually come up with video ideas, right? So again, let's go to the search bar. So I would pick something that you're interested in. If you like music, go with music. If you like memes, go with memes. If you like those top 5, top 10 videos, go with those. And how you actually find the videos is you're gonna go up here. Let's do top 10, for example. So now, most amazing top 10. Let's click on this guy, right? 5.6 million subscribers. Now, if we go to all videos right here and then sort by most popular, you can see right here 31 million views 1 year ago. Okay, this is insane. And he doesn't own these videos, but it's so simple. So you just watch these videos, you see what he's doing, and then make your own version of it. Okay, so yeah, you have to have a video editing software and stuff like that, but there's also things like OBS and there's free video editing software. But if you want the one I use, I personally use Camtasia, link in the description below. But you can see right here, I mean, there's a reason why his videos work so well. I mean, look at that thumbnail, it's pretty obvious. I mean, I personally wouldn't make videos like that, but it works, I guess. So anyways, you could do things like top 10, top 5, again, memes. And then the guitar music was one that was huge, right? So let's go back to that, guitar music. You can see here, this video has 85 million views, okay? So that equates to $85,000 with just a $1 CPM, okay? So think if that was actually as high as like $5 CPM, right? That's insane. So that would be 85,000 times 5. That would be $425,000 from that one video. That's insane, okay? And you can see right here, this was streamed 3 days ago. 69,000. Okay, this stuff works. You just have to pick your niche and kind of figure out what other people are doing that are successful, that's working for them, and do the same thing, but in your own way. Don't literally steal their video and just put it up. People do that. It does not work. You gotta be a little creative, okay? You could take an hour from this video, an hour from this video, hour from this video, and just put them together and make your own thing. Me personally, I know nothing about music. I really don't have an ear for it. If I was doing this, I would do something like meme videos or top 10 videos, and you could even do like a voiceover on the top 10 videos, and that stuff really works. You could do stuff like affiliate marketing for that. And for me, I focus on high ticket affiliate marketing. First link in the description, shameless plug. But if you want to do actually like top 10 video reviews for stuff, like let's do top 10 laptop. Okay, you can see right here, best laptop, top five laptops. So I've actually watched a few of these videos. It's 10 best ones. Literally, he just does top 5 or top 10, whatever, and then does a voiceover and explains them. And I'm pretty sure he just reads off like literally like the review of the product on Amazon. It works though. And he has an Amazon affiliate link and then links to each of the products, and people watch it and buy it. This stuff is literally, if you're not trying to build like your own personal brand and you don't want to be on video, this is perfect for you. Okay, so if you don't want to do this, that's totally fine. You can go down below. The first link in the description is my #1 recommendation to make money online. And that's what I suggest. That's what I recommend. But again, you could just do this, get that editing software in the description below if you don't have one, and you're off to the races. But yeah, if you have any questions, put it in the comments down below. I would be happy to help you with anything you need, any questions you have. If you want to learn more about making money online, affiliate marketing, you can watch these videos right here. And before you leave, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe by clicking my face right here, and that's all I got. See you on the next video.